Hey guys, welcome to our new video on creating a Telegram bot using OpenAI GPT 3.5 turbo model. We will use OpenAI API key for creating this bot. Requirement for creating a Telegram bot using OpenAI GPT 3.5 turbo, we have to use Python language, a Python Telegram bot library, OpenAI API key, and OpenAI Python library, and Telegram bot father bot which already have in Telegram. So guys, here we will install Python and OpenAI library and some other libraries for creating a Telegram bot. So for installing Python in your PC, you have to write pkg install Python and enter. I already installed Python 3.11.8 version. This is the latest version of Python. After this, we will install OpenAI library. To install OpenAI library, you have to use this command pip install OpenAI and press enter. This will requirement already satisfy. I already installed OpenAI library. Then you have to install Python Telegram bot library. So for installing Python Telegram bot library, to install these we have to copy this code pip install and delete a dollar sign because we have already. We will paste here. This also say requirement already satisfy because I already installed Python Telegram bot library. So guys, we installed Python Telegram bot library, OpenAI Python library. For OpenAI API key, you have to use your account and their free $5 credit, and you where you can create a API key and copy that. Guys, in the documentation of Python Telegram bot, we will scroll down and here quick start guide. We will click on tutorial your first bot. After this, here we have a code. We will copy this code and paste here that code in our main.py. I had created this main.py. After that code we have to copy that code also and paste that second code here, control plus V, and after that I will format this code according to me. There are many things repeating here. For that, guys, I have formatted this code according to me. Okay, I will explain this code to you. We copied two codes from Telegram bot website. Here are the import of logging from Telegram import update. After this is logging.basic configuration, and here are two function, start and echo. Start function will work when in Telegram bot we press start button. After pressing the start button, it send a message that I am a bot, please talk to me, like that. After that, echo command here by default, this function work like when we chat to our bot, it will echo our message, that message we write. For example, if I write hello, in reply bot also reply me hello, because here text equal to update dot message dot text, our message text actually. Here if name is equal to main and application dot builder. Here token means the chatbot token. We get the chatbot token from bot father. In the coming video I will tell you. Here start handler, command handler, message handler, and application dot running polling that start this as a server in your PC. This is the main part of our video. Here we implant OpenAI models in our Telegram bot. So for this we have to from OpenAI import OpenAI from keys import all. From keys import all keys. This is my keys.py where I saved my OpenAI API key. So from keys import all means I imported all my OpenAI keys that will I use in OpenAI. After this you have to give model equals to GPT 3.5 turbo. After selecting model we will write client equals to OpenAI API key is equal to OpenAI API key. Okay. After that I will create a function of ask AI where we will give user input argument. In this function we write a response equal to client.chat.complication.create model. Model is equal to model where we have GPT 3.5 turbo. Message is equal to role of system content, you are a helpful assistant. Role user content, who won the World Series in 2022. Okay, we will modify it by our message which is user input. Our content is user input. Okay, after that we will get a response of output is equal to response dot choices dot message dot content and return out. This will return the output, the message that OpenAI model reply. Output is our message that this model will reply. We use this ask AI function here in our Telegram bot echo function. Text is equal to update.message.text. This is our message of coming from Telegram bot. We will use here ask AI and bracket. After that we will close this bracket and also this. Okay, text is equal to ask AI update.message.text and this will return us the output. Okay, to get this token we will create a bot from Telegram father bot. Here is our Telegram bot father. I will click start and menu, create a new bot and name this bot as Dalle GPT. Okay, good. Now let's choose a username. Dalle GPT 453 colon bot. Okay, done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this link. We will copy this token as it is necessary for working of our bot and paste that token here. Drop this V. This is our token for our Dalle GPT bot. Now all coding work is done. We will run this file. Control plus S. Okay, we are going to run this file in our terminal. Here we will run our file python main.py. Enter. It start a server and we are going to use this bot from now onwards. Here is the link of our new Telegram bot. I will click this. This is our Tally GPT. Username is at the rate TallyGPT453 and colon bot, and this is our link of our bot. We can share it or add to a group or channel in Telegram. We will edit this all settings, set a photo, edit and intro, edit commands, change more setting in bot further. We will do this later. Okay, I'm going to click start. Okay, he's replying, I'm a bot, please talk to me. I use GPT 3.5 Turbo. So first I ask him, who are you? I'm a helpful assistant here to assist you with any question or task you may have. How can I help you? Okay, what do you mean by AI in healthcare? AI in healthcare refer to use of artificial intelligence technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, etc. Okay, here our Tally GPT working very cool, and we can ask anything. We can ask from ChatGPT. Here it can reply. Like we can ask here, write a complete blog on Chat GPT. It will write a blog on GPT. I use Max tokens. No, I don't use Max tokens here. Okay, it will give a complete blog of title exploring the wonder of ChatGPT, a revolution in consumer AI. This is our blog. We can do many things here. We can fine tune it. We can use function calling here. If you want more related videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. I will also create videos on function calling of this model. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you think this is a helpful video, like this video and share it to your friends for more knowledge, and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye. Tally GPT. Goodbye. If you have any more question in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day. Thank you for watching video. Bye.